Good day, Madam. My name is Rodaline Baliwag, Filipino. I am 23 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am married. I have one child. My husband is working as a farmer. I have two brothers. I am the second in the family.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Rodaline. How are you today?
Madam, I am good.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Madam, I am honest, patient, kind, and hardworking.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Madam, I will keep myself busy at work.
So can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of children?
Madam, I will treat them as my own child. I will give them proper food, vitamins, love, and care.
So what if you committed a mistake? What will you do?
Madam, I apologize. I promise I will do not mistake again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
I promise I will do my best and I finish my contract.
Thank you, Miss Rodaline, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Madam.